Hello, I'm Katie, and I did a presentation for South Dakota's data analysis. And a little bit about South Dakota. The population as of 2018 was 882,000 people. The median age was 37.2 years old, and the median household income is 56,274. Some things that surprised me in the data was in housing, rental versus ownership, 67.9% in 2018 of people owned a house. And living in Rapid, I know that there's a lot of rentals and stuff, and it's kind of crazy to think that the majority, of people own the houses. And then income, especially with thinking college students and stuff, and that most people are out of college, and then income. Pennington County's household income is larger than Minnehaha, which Pennington County is like Rapid City, and Minnehaha is Sioux Falls, which Sioux Falls population is larger and it is bigger than Rapid City. But the number for the median household income for Pennington County is $59,006, and Minnehaha is $58,742. And then I thought it was surprising that there was only an average of 2 cars owned per household, because with ranches and with other, even just families, you would think that there would be more than 2 cars in South Dakota. And then, is there something wrong with the data? I didn't really find anything wrong, but I thought it was interesting that most tech schools are more guys are in it. And so I thought it was interesting that Southeast Tech had more girls than guys, because Lake Area Tech and the other tech schools, like Western Dakota Tech, have more guys in it than girls. And a policy suggestion, starting kids out at a younger age in middle school and high school, giving them the opportunity to be interested in tech trades and stuff, to get more of those in South Dakota would definitely be helpful. And that would interest younger people going into college to go into more tech schools, so that there's a better balance as well. Thank you for watching.